Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Mechanics. Today we got a hell of a deal. We got a 2008 Hyundai, guys. So we're going to pick it up at the auction, Copart here, okay? So let's see what we got, guys. We paid only 625 bucks for it. We don't know if it starts, if it runs, if it drives, it's hitting the front right. Okay, stay with us to see if we got a good deal, if we can fix it a little bit, flip it, even without fixing the whole vehicle. Okay guys, that's the one coming right here. Okay, you can see the damage on the front right. Okay, a little bit. Bring them. As you know, on the forklift, it looks pretty sharp so far. Let's see what we got ourselves into and check if it's going to start as well. Okay guys, that's what we got. As you can see, interior needs a little bit of cleaning, but hey, we got a detail shop, so we're going to make that thing like new. We need to shine it up pretty good. The dash is good, there is no deployed airbags or anything like that. Seats look okay. There is no rips or anything like that, so we need to see what's under the hood now and see if we can fire it up. Okay guys, that's what it is here. Everything looks good on this side. Engine looks okay. We need to, of course, put a dipstick, make sure we have oil. Okay, looks like clean oil, no water in it, because you never know, we might get water in it. Okay, so let's check the radiator, how everything's there, full of coolant, which means no leaks, guys, because it's been sitting here for a couple of weeks. We've been watching it, and that's the damage right here, which is not bad at all, most likely. Okay, as you can see, the control arm is bent right there, and you can see the tie rod. Okay, right there, that whole thing, the tie rod is done. So we need to replace that one. Okay, battery is dead all the way, so let's try and see if we can actually start it now. Okay guys, that thing fired right up. Can't even believe that. They said it doesn't run, it doesn't drive. Okay, we have the lights on, of course, but they'll need to be cleared because the battery was dead as well. The ABS might be in the brake due to the wheel being sideways, which means that it's off. The angle sensor is off of a balance, and now it's not reading it right. So far, guys, it's pretty good. The radio. Let's see if the radio works on that thing. Well, no, we cannot turn that thing on. It could be probably a fuse, so we're going to diagnose it and see what else it could be too. Okay, the fans, heater, everything works here. So you can hear, guys, the engine works pretty good. There is no knocking, there is no noises, there is no leaks or anything like that. So it looks great for what we got. 625 bucks. It has excellent tires as well. Let's see what we have in the trunk. You never know what you find inside of those things. Okay, well, we have some kind of drawing here. We have a penguin. I don't know what that thing is for. And just some trash. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.